As a deck watchkeeper, my primary responsibility is to ensure the safety of the ship and everyone on board. This role is crucial, especially when navigating through busy waters or during challenging weather conditions. So, what exactly does a deck watchkeeper do? Let's break it down. First and foremost, maintaining a proper lookout is essential. This means I constantly scan the horizon for other vessels, navigational hazards, and any changes in the environment. A vigilant watchkeeper can spot potential dangers before they become a problem. It's all about being proactive and alert. Next, I monitor navigation equipment. This includes radar, GPS, and other essential tools that help us stay on course. Understanding how to interpret the data from these devices is vital for safe navigation. I regularly check our position and ensure we're on the right track, adjusting as necessary to avoid any obstacles. Keeping an accurate logbook is another key duty. Every detail matters, from the ship's position to weather conditions and any significant events that occur during my watch. This log serves as a record for the entire voyage and is crucial for legal and safety reasons. It's a responsibility I take seriously as it helps maintain accountability on board. Reporting abnormalities is also part of my role. If I notice anything unusual, like a change in the ship's performance or an unexpected vessel nearby, I must communicate this immediately. Clear communication is essential for effective teamwork and ensuring everyone is aware of the situation. Collision avoidance is a top priority. I apply the COLREGs, or the International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, to make informed decisions. These rules guide us on how to navigate safely around other vessels. Understanding these regulations is fundamental for any officer of the watch. Monitoring the weather is another critical aspect of my duties. Weather conditions can change rapidly at sea, and being aware of these changes helps us prepare and adjust our course if needed. I keep an eye on forecasts and any developing weather patterns that could impact our journey. Lastly, following rules and regulations is non-negotiable. As a deck officer, I must adhere to both international and company policies. This ensures not only my safety, but also the safety of my crew and the ship. It's about creating a culture of safety and responsibility on board. Being a deck watchkeeper is a challenging yet rewarding experience. Every watch is an opportunity to learn and grow, and it's a vital role in ensuring the smooth operation of life at sea.